Today we're looking at this amplifier from Pyle. There's the $1 bill for size comparison. Here it is again for size comparison. You can control multiple speakers. There's 4 of them. Microphone inputs, SD card, and USB. We will be using Bluetooth input though. In the back you've got multiple inputs as well as outputs. There are the 4 speakers that I mentioned, and this is the Bluetooth antenna. Voltage conversion is there for you to use 230 volts or 115 volts AC inputs. Here's the FM antenna, just in case you want to listen to FM. Inside the box, you get the manual, the remote warranty card, and the FM antenna that you plug in the back. Press on Mode button to change the mode to Bluetooth. The screen will be blinking blue, blue, blue to let you know it's in pairing mode. Once it's paired with your phone or tablet, then the blue stops blinking. Now it's steady blue, right? Because on my phone, we're seeing it as connected for audio. By the way, if this video is helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. This lets YouTube know my video is indeed helpful and it will recommend to others like yourself. It's interesting to note that even though we are connected over Bluetooth, the speaker volume is raised up on the channels A and B because I have 4 speakers. We are not hearing anything. We won't hear audio until we flip the switch from auxiliary all the way to MP3. I have no idea why that is. So strange. Here are all of my connections that are connected to the speakers. We got a total of 4 speakers. So that's why there are 4 wires. They go into the A. The speaker A has the top slot as well as the bottom slot. Same for speaker B with top and bottom slots. Getting the speakers in is really easy. All you have to do is press on it, insert the wire, and then let go of it. These are the 4 in-wall speakers I installed earlier. They are 8 ohms and work very well with the Pyle amplifier. Alright, hopefully you found this video helpful. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.